Jatatije mar riwruok mar kedo ne ratich oganda International Justice Mission miluongo ni Vincent Chahale odokne jatend riwruoge okinde pacho kae miluongo ni Faith Odhiambo ewi welo mare gi jatend piny Kenya kaka jalup jakom apud mowinjore taa chenro mar chulo jogo manoyudo hinyruok e kinde ng'anyo. Chahale wacho ni twak onego bed ewi kaka chenro no inyalo tim mapiyo mok ywaruok ewi ng'ano monego bed ni wede apud no.
As a nation, we would not be arguing on procedure if we are agreed that people need compensation. Because the debate that we are having now is whether the means justifies the end or the end should justify the means. So the thought that I have is, if we are in agreement that victims of police brutality require or need compensation, then surely we should be able to quickly resolve the issue of how do we go about it and who do we involve. If it is a national issue, in my considered view, then we should involve everybody. We should not have a situation where we think that some should be involved and some should not be involved. We should involve everybody because it is a national conversation.